can't sleep, 'cause I know they'll be watching me, descending on the beach. These shadows keep falling down. Oh, me. There's a blackbird in my garden.
Hey everyone, this is a product from Dancingpigforge. This is a spoon rest that's going to be sent to 4 random people. All you have to do is like the video and leave a comment, and we're going to go through the comments and pick 4 random ones and get you to DM us your address so that we can send you a brand new spoon rest. Thanks to everybody watching this video, and have a good day.